Keto bread. It looks so nice. Look at that. It definitely looks like a real bread.
Hi my foodie friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you the most requested recipe so far. It's keto bread. Keto bread is a really good recipe for if you're doing a keto diet. So if you're having the craving for bread or carbs, so you can have this bread and it's very easy to make. So let's get started and see the recipe.
So before we start, we must preheat the oven at 190 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes, and number 5 is for the gas oven because I have the gas oven. Now take a bowl and add 6 egg yolks. Now we are going to whisk this till it becomes quite nice and fluffy. Whisk, whisk, whisk. Now we are going to add salt 1/4 teaspoon, and now add baking powder, which is 1 teaspoon, and now whisk it again. Now add melted butter, which is 1/4 cup, and keep giving that a good mix until all well incorporated and it almost double in volume. Now I have this almond flour, which is 1.5 cup, and now we are going to add this in the batter into many batches. Now we are going to fold this into this mixture like this. Please fold it very gently. A very important thing, that make sure you sift the almond flour so that you don't get a lumpy mixture. So make sure it. So keep adding gently till the almond flour well incorporated. Now take another bowl and add 6 egg whites in it. We're going to whisk it up, our egg whites, and you want to get these to stiff peaks. You will get to know. Now since I don't have the cream of tartar, so I'm using this lemon juice, which means you basically whisk the whites till they are all nice and frothy. Then add in your lemon juice and then continue whisking it. You want to whisk it till you get it stiff peaks, which basically means you can put the bowl over your head and egg whites will not fall out. So keep whisking it, and it takes a lot of time, at least 5 to 10 minutes, but you will know when you get the stiff peak. So keep whisking it. See, now it's done. So here we are adding the egg whites into the mixture and mix that in as well. Very gently, like this way, fold it like this way. Yes. Now add the rest of the egg whites and mix that as well. Very gently like this. Fold it, fold it. Now you can see that we have lovely bread mixture batter is ready. Now next thing is to grease the bread tin with butter very well, and you can use the parchment paper as it helps the bread to come out nicely. Now we are going to pour the batter in the bread tin. Tap the tin on the surface. So we are going to bake the bread at 190 degrees Celsius for number 5 in gas oven for about 30 minutes or till the toothpick comes out clean. So here we go, our bread, keto bread came out from oven and it looks really nice. So let it cool down for some time. So after 20 minutes, remove the bread from the bread tin and also remove the parchment paper from it. Now you can slice it up really nice. Look at it, its texture is really nice. You can use this bread in whatever way you want. You can use with make a toast and eat with avocado. In many ways you can use it. So enjoy.
Did you see how easy it is to make this super delicious keto bread? So friends, if you like my recipe, my effort, my hard work, so please subscribe to my channel, like my video and press the bell icon button for further notifications. It's me, Nancy Verma. Bye bye and see you next time with more keto bread recipes and more yummy recipes.